everybody, this is Roxy, and I saw Vicky Pompano had one of these books. I think they sell them on, I don't remember what website she was working with. But anyways, it's just a watercolor book that I made. And using disc bound, these will start moving more freely. But I used the We Are Memory Keepers punch board, and they come with just circle punches, but then I found the disc bound punch on Joann.com. So it does it like that. This is a Dollar Tree 3-ring binder. So I just use that. So now this, when I want to go do some watercolor and I don't want it in here, I can just pull it out. I've got different sizes, and I've got different textures, different pounds of watercolor. And then this one I did acrylic paper from Arteza, and then some sketch paper, just cheap sketch paper from Dollar Tree, for more of a sketchbook and a fun book. I found these discs on a website or Etsy site. I don't remember. I think it's called DiscBound or something like that. I'll put the link down below in the description box. But I thought it would be kind of a fun way to do your journaling, but without a higher cost. Because I already have all the paper, and all I needed were the disc bounds, and these were really inexpensive. So I think I like the little ones better, the little discs, but they both work. So give it a try. Oops. And thanks for watching. Bye.